Hello guys, today I have got the Marshall Heston 60 and I'm going to show you how to install the application for your iPhone and how to set it up with your speaker. At first open the App Store. Here open search and type Marshall. Here scroll down till you see Marshall application from Marshall Group AB. Tap Get, and now you need to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID, password, or the Touch ID, depending on the device you install it on. Here you need to tap Open after that, and you need to wait till the intro goes off. Tap here Next. Now you can skip the newsletter, skip the analytics, ask app not to track, and now you need to allow to find nearby both of devices. Now tap Add New Device and tap Allow here again. As you can see here, we've got some Bromley and some Heston 60. Tap Add. As you can see here, now my device is after a factory reset, so I do recommend to perform a factory reset before the process of pairing of the app. Tap Start Setup here, and you can select here Wi-Fi option. Now click Continue, and here tap OK to share the Wi-Fi settings. Wait a moment. And now here tap Next. Tap Done when you see setup complete, and wait a moment here in the app. As I can see, my phone is really dirty, but it shouldn't make any difference because it has a protective foil on it. Film. Okay, here now Continue, and now you are prompted to rename your device. You can do it, but you don't have to. You can tap here Continue. Now you can set up the Google Cast. You can tap Skip, and here we've got room correction, sound modes, and integrated music services. You can tap Get Started here, and you should here actually have some firmware update. If you don't have any firmware update, it means that it's already updated. If you do, just click it and wait 50 minutes, I think. 15 minutes should be good for it. Just leave the application opened and don't unplug your device from the power, and just don't use it. Goodbye.